welcome back to my channel. Gonna keep this short and sweet today because we are celebrating my stepdaughter Superstar's birthday this weekend, and I thought I would bring you guys along and show you where we're going for her birthday lunch, and then we're coming back here and doing a little pitch perfect surprise birthday party for her. So if you guys would like to see that, then continue watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to stay up to date with all of my weekly trendy videos. So without further ado, let's get to celebrating Superstar.
Hello.
This is a plate full of food. Looks good. Good.
Daddy, people.
It's the birthday girl. Ready? Okay, scoot over a little more. 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3.
Yeah! Which one is it? The third one! I really wanted this one. It's perfect good, she has it!
Is this thing on? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting ready to play Name That Tune. So how this goes is I'm going to play 10 songs for you, and you guys write down what you think the song name is, and you will get 1 point if it's correct, and an additional point if you also get the artist correct.
So if you know what the song is, comment down below what you think it is.
Yes, if you guys want to participate in this game too. Flash wants to say something.
And give a like on this video.
Yes, thumbs up this video if you like. Or the grand prize for the winner is Starbucks Frappuccino. Alright, so we have the winners. First place is my husband with 16 points. Second place
The birthday
was
girl.
the birthday girl with 12 points.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.